بحریہ انکلیو اسلام آباد. I will invite all my brothers and sisters living in Europe, America, all over the world. The Pakistanis are invited to come back to their country, their homeland, and purchase property in Bahariya Enclave, the safest place. If you purchase a property here, this is the time to purchase because the prices are very low. Prices are low. You can purchase a plot here, and you can also construct your house. You'll find engineers, contractors, construction material. You'll find there are flats, plazas. In the plazas you can purchase shops, flats. You can come here, you can get apartment on rent, stay here for some time, and then visit all the places here. The Bahariya Enclave is a very beautiful place to live in. So Pakistani living abroad in the Gulf, Middle East, or Canada, America, UK, USA, anywhere in the world. Although you are settled there, but the circumstances are changing. The war's on. So anything can happen anywhere, but this is your home country. It's better for you to purchase property in Bahariya Enclave in Islamabad because easy to purchase. You can get an apartment here, you can get a shop here, you can start your business here. So please do come, visit, and if you want any information you can contact me anytime. I am available on this phone number, which is available in my YouTube. So I'll be happy to serve you. No charges at all, no fee at all. I will give you complete guidance. So you can come, please join my group, subscribe my channel, and come here and purchase property for yourself and for your coming generations, because this part of the world is very beautiful. Pakistan is beautiful, of course, and may Allah give us good leaders to build Pakistan and create jobs here. Everything is available in Pakistan. The only thing is that people like you who are living abroad and they are professionals, they must join their hands. The Pakistanis abroad, they must think, they must have a think tank to rebuild Pakistan. And the time is coming, 8th of February, it's very near. So also cast your vote not to the looters and the thieves and those who are convicted, but to those who want to rebuild Pakistan. So please cast your vote. Ask your family members who are living in Pakistan to cast their vote in the favor of those who have served Pakistan, not transfer their money abroad, from Pakistan to abroad to purchase properties, but they brought money here, invested here. It's good that you are living abroad. You have got a chance You have good job, good facilities. Stay there, but visit your country from time to time. That will be very good for you. I hope you will come and purchase a property in Bharia Enclave and live here, and also meet me. I'll arrange a apartment for you to stay with your family for some time. Thank you very much. My name is Mumtaz Khan, and this is my YouTube channel.